Hey yo, it's Chriso from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. I've been a tiler for 35 years and I'm just about to grout this bathroom in. My grout is usually always the same. It's like toothpaste consistency, and I'll show you how I slap it in. You just get it in there, wipe it off, press it into your lines. This is a dull tile, not a shiny tile. So I'll need a little bit more water on my sponge when I'm wiping off. I don't have to leave it that long that, you know, like a shiny tile, you can leave for quite a while before you wipe it off. This I'll be able to just about wipe off straight away. But I'll be able to do this whole wall and then wipe off. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you soon. Yo, it's Chriso. Yeah, at the with the grouting, all you're doing is just pressing it in. DIYs, you're pressing it into those lines, you know, into your grout lines, and then you wipe it. Give it a wipe, and it's less to wipe off with your wash boy. Pushing it in. But a key is that you have it at the right consistency, which is toothpaste, but so it's not dripping off your, you know, you don't want it dripping off your squeegee. But soft enough to spread. Pushing it in, your home and hose. taking off your excess. Like that. Oh, missed a line. No biggie. Just grab some from there. How's everyone today? Woo! I hope you're all on fire. Good on you. Thanks for watching me. So you're able to learn something. It's quite important to watch, and then you're able to pick up and do, and it's cool. I always grout around the top, not silicone, not cork. Grout is cool. Look at that. Whooshka. Round the corner. I went a little bit close to the wall then. Banged the camera, but it's all good. Okay, we'll see ya. We'll catch up with you soon. Bye.